Microsoft broadly makes money from two ways, which is Microsoft 365, which is its productivity and business processes. Number two is its intelligent cloud, which is Microsoft Azure. So let's explain each. The first one, Microsoft 365, it's an organization of apps, it's a system, it's an ecosystem. So what that means is basically we have all all of the digital infrastructure a company needs to operate, all of it. So we have Microsoft Word for documents, let's say reports on employees, contracts, etc. That's what we have there. And then we have Excel to manage the company's data, all data, enormous amounts of data there. And then we have PowerPoint to do presentations. And then we have other apps that businesses might use. When you have a large business, you don't want every employee to be using their own software. You want it centralized, you want it to be together, if you understand what I mean. So that's what businesses pay for. They pay for that software, not because it's one standalone app, but it's an ecosystem of apps and software that helps companies. Let's say you want to have a meeting. You don't want another person on Zoom and another one on whatever the other apps are. You want them on the same or similar, the same platforms. Microsoft Teams, that's where they meet. They have the meetings, etc. as a company. So that is Microsoft 365, and companies pay a subscription for that, whether it's monthly or yearly, per user, per user. The second one is cloud computing, intelligent cloud, Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft has the digital infrastructure, like the data servers, and then companies pay to use that infrastructure to store their data online and to manipulate that data, to, let's say, organize that data online, to use AI models to do projections and stuff. So this is what Microsoft provides. An analogy I would use is that, no analogy. Let me do it an analogy. It would be, as a person who wants to start a restaurant, etc., would you want to build a building? You wouldn't. You would want the building to already be built. And then, even if you can rent the building, it's fine. A lot of businesses rent buildings. Why? Because it's cheaper than building, it's cheaper than buying land, it's cheaper than buying the ovens, buying the whatever. So this is similar to Microsoft Azure. We have the digital infrastructure and we have the tools for you to work in that digital infrastructure. So that is how Microsoft makes money. So what I realized is that they make money from providing infrastructure, in essential infrastructure, to businesses, and then charging recurring fees, recurring subscription fees. That is Microsoft. Cool.